Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a healthier version of fresas con crema. I grew up eating this, but like I said, let's make it healthier. Strawberries and cream. I don't know how you guys know it, but you very few ingredients. You're going to need obviously your strawberries, maple syrup, yogurt. I'm using two kinds of yogurt. The Greek yogurt that comes unflavored, 0% fat, and then the other one that has a vanilla flavor. It's sweetened. And you're gonna need almond milk. You can opt out from using maple syrup and just use Swerve's confectioner's sugar if you don't want that maple taste. And you can also add a little splash of vanilla. Remember, a teaspoon of vanilla extract has 12 calories, so you just would add that onto your calorie intake. But it's super simple, although I don't know what I was thinking. I added the cream or the cream base part that we're making, the yogurt first instead of doing it separately. It would have made my life just much easier making the yogurt part first. But just add everything to your bowl, mix, and then this is the consistency you should get. You can always add a little bit more milk or a little bit less depending on the consistency that you prefer, but this is what I like. You're going to go ahead and add them. I have these parfaits that I got from Amazon. They're so cute. I've had them for several years now, and I just never use them. So I'm like, I'm going to start making more desserts on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's so simple, so easy to make. Probably ingredients you already have at home. And like I said, they satisfy my sweet tooth. I'm such a sweet tooth person, and that's one of the things that at first I wasn't able to lose weight because I would always go back to eating unhealthy or just very high calorie desserts. So now for everything I always try and make it healthier at home. If I'm craving that, okay, I make it and I'm like, how can I make it healthier? And then that way I'm able to make it sustainable. As if you restrict yourself, it's gonna lead up to a binge, and that's what you don't want. So I'm going to be sharing a lot more dessert recipes with you guys, so you guys can still achieve your goals and eat your desserts. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.